sounds in a beautiful river area. Nestled among this world-class beauty is Hungry Horse, where you can see beautiful Great Northern Mountain from my business and these other cool mountains around. And this is Hungry Horse itself. And 4 miles away is the beautiful Hungry Horse Dam that spews out this beautiful green water. And the boys and I did a bike ride on the lower dam road to get to this pristine spot. My son Abe. Here's some beautiful Montana whitewater. That would be a wild rapid to go through, man. I used to be a river guide, and this would be, we would consider this probably a solid class 4. There's a perfectly square rock lodged in there. Square rock and a round hole. I know, look at how the rocks have kind of evolved down there. Cool rock formations.